Students, today we will deal question number 5 and 6 of this chapter. Draw a line segment PQ of length 10 cm and then we have to draw perpendicular to PQ from a point A. The point A is one time it will be on the line segment PQ, and in the second part it will not be on the line segment PQ, means point A will be somewhere else outside the line, okay, and in this case A point will be on the line PQ, and from that point A we have to draw a perpendicular. How to draw this? Let's see. First of all, we will draw a line segment PQ of length 10 centimeter like this. This is PQ, P and Q. Now there is a point A which is lying on the line segment PQ. Suppose that point A is here. You can take it here, anywhere. I am taking it here. Okay. Now you have to draw perpendicular line which is passing through this point A. So for this, what you have to do, put your compass here on the point A and make an arc of any suitable radius, but it should cut this line segment at 2 points. Okay, suppose I will make it up to here, and you can see it is cutting this line segment at 2 points, here also and here also. Okay, now you can keep its name as C and D. Now we have to take more than half of this segment CD, more than half. Suppose this is more than half. Now make an arc here and with the same radius make another arc here. Now we have to join this 2 point A and this point. Suppose this point name is R. This is the perpendicular on this line PQ. Very simple. But next we have to draw a line segment PQ and a perpendicular we have to draw from a point A which is not lying on this line segment PQ. Means the point A will be outside this line. So for this again we will draw a 10 centimeter line segment PQ. Now we have to select a point A which is not lying on this PQ, means anywhere but not on this line. So I am taking, suppose point A is here outside the line. Okay. Next step, you have to put your compass here and open it and make an arc, draw an arc which should cut this line segment at 2 points, just like this. Suppose this one I have taken. It is cutting it at these 2 points. Name it C and D. Okay. After that, we have to take more than half of this line. More than half of this line is here. Make an arc here. Put your compass. Another arc. This point and this point A you have to join. This is perpendicular line which is passing through this point A and which is perpendicular on PQ. Perpendicular line means it is making 90 degree. Perpendicular always make 90 degree. Okay. Now question number 6. Look at here, question number 6. In this question, draw a line segment of any length. We have to draw a line segment of any length. Draw perpendicular at both the end points of the line segment. Means on this line segment we have to draw perpendicular at both the ends. Perpendicular means 90 degree also. Okay. Perpendicular always make 90 degree. Are the two perpendiculars parallel or intersecting? After making the perpendicular we will decide whether it is parallel or it is intersecting. Okay. So let's see. Question number 6. First we have to draw line segment of any length. So you can take any length. Okay, 11 centimeter, 10, 8, whatever you like. Name it AB, CD, PQ, whatever you want. After that, we have to draw two perpendicular at its end point. End point is here and here. How to draw perpendicular? Perpendicular I have taught you now, but 90 degrees also perpendicular. So here at this point, we are going to draw 90 degree. That is also a perpendicular. So cut an arc here, cut another arc here, here, and now we have to join these 2 points. Okay, this is perpendicular. Now again we are going to make at this end point. Take any suitable radius. After that, cut an arc here. Again up. From here also one arc up. Now you have to join these 2 points. This is also perpendicular. Now you tell me, this 2 line is going parallel or they are intersecting? Intersecting means definitely it will meet somewhere. Do you think that it will meet? It is going parallel to each other. So these lines are, you can say, 2 perpendiculars are parallel to each other. Both are parallel to each other. Okay? Any doubt? No, you have to see the video 2-3 times and then draw it by yourself. If you can, do some practice time questions also. Next day we will start new chapter. Okay?